Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm doing a Grove collaborative haul. If you guys would like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Guys, I got a big Grove collaborative haul for you today. I know I haven't been doing these in a while, but I'm starting to do it again. If you're interested, and if you guys are new to Grove Collaborative, you will get a 5-piece free gift set, and I will leave the link down below so you guys can get that. So let's get right on into the video. The first thing I would like to show you guys is I have gotten the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. It looks like this. I got it in the scent Ginger Yuzu. It looks like that. And this is one of my favorites, you guys. This is like for those quick days or the days that you just want to, like they said, squirt and mop. You just squirt it on the floor and you mop it. It's that easy, it's that simple, and I love this when I'm just trying to do a quick tidy up in my house. So I use this a lot. The next one I got is the Lemon Ginger. The same thing but in a different scent, and it looks like this. Yeah, this is my favorite. I can't even talk to you guys. I'm sorry I got braces, but this is my favorite and I can't wait to use this. The next thing I would like to show you guys that I got is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in peony scent, and I got 2 of these and it looks like this. You guys, this is really good. This is a really good dish soap. I always use it. If I'm not using this, it's what else I use? Oh, it's the Method cleaner, or I always use the palm olive dish soap. I always use antibacterial, but when I run out of that, I always go for the Mrs. Meyer's because this stuff works so good, you guys. It cuts grease and everything, so this is my favorite. And the scent to this, it smells so good for the spring. This is like my favorite spring scent. Oh, okay, well, I still can smell it through. It got like a tape over it, but oh wow. They put, I think it's like 3 holes in it so I can smell it. It smells so good. It smells so good. I love this. So I got 2 of these. So the next thing I would like to show you guys is the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I got 2 of these in the same scent. It's called the Peony scent. And like I said, I'm obsessed with this scent, especially in the springtime. They do have other ones like lilac and fresh cut grass. And I can't remember. I don't know if it's 3 or 4. But if that's another one, it would be on the site. But this one is my absolute favorite. That's why I got 2. And it looks like this. Smells so good and it works so good, you guys. I love spraying this. My kids starting to do chores as well, and they clean off the table, and they love Mrs. Meyer's. They love the scent of Mrs. Meyer's, and I do too. So I got these. The next thing I would like to show you guys is the Aunt Fanny's All-Purpose Cleaning Vinegar. You guys, I used to hate cleaning with cleaning vinegar, but when I started using Aunt Fanny's, I fell in love. This is the scent Bright Lemon. It does smell, you still smell the vinegar, but it's not as strong as the other products. And I absolutely love it, you guys. I'm sorry, but I love this as well. I could clean this on everything, and I love the smell. I don't really like vinegar scent. Like, it's too strong for me. And everything you spray it on is just, I don't like it. But this smells really good. Like the Bright Lemon fights the vinegar. Like it overpowers the vinegar scent. You can still have, it has a hint of vinegar, the smell in it, but it's not as strong, and I can take it. So I love this, and it also cleans very, very good. I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to clean with it. It looks like this. So yeah, my absolute favorite. The next spray I would like to show you guys that I got is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Bamboo. This is my absolute favorite as well, and this one cuts grease. I think they all cut grease. All the sprays that I just showed you cut grease, but this one is antibacterial. I love having these sprays in my home. This will be cleaned in the bathroom, my kitchen, even around the house. It depends, to be honest, you guys, because the for example, the vinegar spray that I just showed you from Aunt Fanny's, that will clean like my stove. The Aunt Fanny's is like for the tough stuff to clean, like the stove or your refrigerator, your freezer, things like that. You spray that in there or on your stove or in your oven, and that cleans that. You know, so this would too, but I trust Angie for my stove and my refrigerator. My countertops and the things that I just want to, you know, think that have millions of germs on it, I would use anti-bac. Like, I would use it on my coffee table, my dining room table, in the kitchen, even sometimes on the stove. It depends. Like, I would use it on the stove as well, but it depends, to be honest, on what I'm feeling that day. But yes, this is a must in my house. If I don't have this in my house, I won't feel clean. Like, I have to have anything anti-bac. Like, my soap have to be anti-bac too. Like, even though I buy non-anti-bac sometimes, because, you know, like the smell or something like that, but I still have it. It's like a second. It'll be like anti-bac here and then another soap right there, just in case if you want to clean your hands and then clean it again to have your hands smelling good. You know, something like that. So anyways, back to this. This is like my favorite spray as well, and it looks like this. Got 2 of these. So the next spray I would like to show you guys is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Pink Grapefruit. This is one of my favorites as well. It's not anti-bac, but I love the smell of this. This reminds me of when I first bought Growth Collaborative. I think this is like the first thing that I bought from them, and you guys, it smells so good. It smells exactly like pink grapefruit, and I'm not gonna lie, this scent brings back so many memories. I always buy this because it's really good, but at the same time, I buy it for the smell. I'm sorry, I do. It's spring. I have to buy it. So the next thing I would like to show you guys is the Method Dish Soap in Grapefruit. This is like my second time using this. I did tell you guys in my last video months and months ago that I would give a review, and to be honest, this is really good. Like, what I say is as good as Mrs. Meyer's. I wouldn't say that. I think Mrs. Meyer's is better, to be honest, but this comes in second from the dish soaps when it comes to the non-bac. Yeah, this comes second because this is really good too. But if I had to choose, I would definitely choose Mrs. Meyer's. But this one is also good. This one smells good as well. Yeah, it smells just like grapefruit, you guys. And it looks like this. But if you guys want to try something new and, you know, stray away from your other dish soaps and try something, this would be a good try. So the next thing I got, you guys, this is new for me. I never tried this before. This is the Growth Collaborative foaming hand soap for kids. I got this for my kids' bathroom. It's not antibacterial, but like I said, it's for them to pump in their hands just to smell it. It smells really good. This is in the scent Pineapple. I have not tried it yet. I don't know if it's good or, you know, I don't even know how to smell it. See, wow, it smells really sweet. It smells just like pineapple. It's one of them. Wow. I'm sorry, you guys. I love pineapple. So this smells really, really good. It's the foaming soap. So when my next I can't talk today. I don't know why. But my next Growth Collaborative haul, I would definitely show you. See, I can't talk today. I would definitely give a review and tell you guys how it is. They will have an anti-bac and they will have this soap. And I also got a dispenser for this. So I'm going to show you that in a little bit. But this smells really good. It says 100% natural fragrance. I ain't gonna lie, it smells really, really good, you guys. It smells good. I don't know how it works, but I'll let you guys know. So like I said, you guys, I got the kids glass hand soap bottle. It looks like it comes in a package like this. Not look like this. It comes in a package like this. And let me open it to show you guys. That right there. And then a bow wrap. I thought this was so cute, you guys, when I first seen it. It's so cute. Oh. Okay, so remember I told you, let me get it. So this is the foaming hand soap, right? So this is telling me right here, it says water at the top and then soap at the bottom. So I guess I don't fill it all the way up. I guess I put the soap, fill the soap here, and then put the water from the soap to here, if that makes sense to you guys. That's what I'm thinking. It don't say dilute. Let me read the directions. 1 second, you guys. Okay, yes. So that's exactly what it says. It says pour soap to the Grow Collaborative Foam and Hand Soap Dispenser to the soap line, and then add water to fill line. The pump, lather, aka play with foam, and rinse. Refill when needed. So yes, okay. I didn't know that. If I didn't read the directions, I ain't gonna lie, I would have poured the whole thing in there. So that's good. So this will last a while then, because the soap right here, the line is right here for the soap, and the rest is water. That's kind of good. I think it's really good. It saves me a lot, you know. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. If it's good, I am going to buy another one in my next. You will see this in my next Grow Collaborative haul, because this will save a lot of money. I ain't gonna lie. So anyways, back to this. I'm all over the place, you guys. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry I can't talk really. I have my braces, so if you guys don't know that, I have braces on, and it's like kind of hard for me to pronounce things. And yeah, bear with me, you guys. I'm sorry. But anyways, so yeah, this is cute. It's like the silicone is stars, and it's the color yellow, and it's very cute. So it looks like this. So yeah, you guys, this is very, very cute. I really, really like this. So yeah, I can't wait. I know they're gonna be happy because they love anything. My kids are so simple. They love little stuff like this too. They're just like their mom. So the next thing I'd like to show you guys is I got the multi-purpose cleaner, and this is a concentrate, right? I'm trying to see if I said it right, because I say solution, but yeah, okay, it is. This is a concentrate. I got 2 bottles. It's in the scent Apple and Pear Blossom. I never smelled the scent before. I think this is new, to be honest, because I do get the concentrates, but it used to be like in this tube. And I got the orange, and I can't remember. I know it was an orange scent, but I don't know if it was orange and something else. Orange and lavender, orange is something, I can't remember. And I just ran out. I kept buying it. Every time my Grow Collaborative order came, that came with it. So I just ran out of that, and I bought another one. This is new, so I don't know. I'm thinking it's the same thing, but different packaging and different scent, because I never had this scent before. So yeah, I'm gonna smell that for you guys in a little bit. But I did get another reusable cleaning bottle. I have one of these, but this one is kind of cool, you guys, because this bottle actually rotates to whatever your concentrate is. So your concentrate solution is. For example, I got multi-purpose cleaner, so I would just turn the silicone to a multi-purpose cleaner, and then it has other ones as well. I'm gonna show you guys, but the box is like this. Let me take it out the box so I can explain more. Yeah, I got it in green. Okay. So basically, it looks like this, right? And I'm gonna put this right here for a minute. So right here it says multi-purpose cleaner. Let me do it right there. So then when you take the silicone off, which is hard because of my nails. Look at this. Sorry. Okay, put that back. So when you take the silicone off, you can turn it to whatever you buy, the solution or the concentrate that you buy. You would put, if you buy tub and towel, see, I can't talk today. I am like all over the place. I'm sorry. If you buy tub and tile, you would turn it to, so whoever's in your house, or you can remember what solution you put in here. So tub and tile, oh, that's cute. I didn't know they had a solution for Make Today Matter. That's cute though. But no, daily shower, floor, glass, and then multi-purpose, and that's the one I got. I got the multi-purpose concentrate, but they got all the other concentrates that you can buy, and then you can switch it so you can remember which one you put in there, and I think that's really nice. That's really, really cool, you guys. I really do like that about this bottle. Like, yeah, even though I have another one, but that's good that I can remember what concentrate and solution I put in here. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I know it's gonna take a while for me to put this back on because of my nails. I can't do anything with long nails. I have to go to the salon, the nail salon, and get my nails done again. They need it's time to get a fill because they look messed up. And they too long. I don't like long nails. I can't do nothing with them. Okay, I'm good. Okay, so this is a nice bottle. I got it in lime, so yeah, I can't wait to use this. And now let's go to the concentrate. So, like I said, the concentrates you get, I like it because you get 2 now. Did I get 2 before? I lied, yeah, you do get 2. And I did get 2 last time when they had the orange scent, which they don't have anymore. They did change it, so yeah, I'm gonna smell it for you guys to see how it smells. It should clean the scent because I love these. Like, I really do. This saves a lot of money, and not only that, they clean really good as well. This is like a backup. When I run out of all my cleaning solutions down there, I pour this in a bottle. It saves me. I'm like, dang, I don't feel like going to the store. Or it's not even about going to the store. It's about using the last bottle of your multi-purpose or whatever you're using to spray your countertops with. And sometimes I forget to go, or sometimes I run out and I forget that's my last bottle. This really do save me because all I have to do is pour it in a bottle, fill the rest with water, and I'm good. Oh, this smells really good. Yes, I'm so happy. It smells really good. It smells just like it says, apple and pear. That's all I'm smelling, and it smells really good. I like that. So yeah, I'm excited about this. You guys should try it, honestly. The last thing that I got, and the last thing I'm going to show you guys, is the Sensitive Facial Cleanser with Aloe and Chamomile. It's called Rooted Beauty in the Growth Collaborative site. This I never tried before. I got this for free. When you spend, I think like over $40 or $50, I'm not sure. If you spend over like $50, or maybe less, maybe $45. Either way, even if you spend $45 to $50, you would get a free gift. You get 3 choices to choose which one you wanted. I wanted to try this because I never tried it before, and I want to see how it is. So yeah, I will let you guys know in my next Growth Collaborative haul. But it looks like this. That will be all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.